So we're given these items, and what we want to do is we want to provide them with the equation of the ellipse that is described here. You don't have to make a graph, but I highly recommend that you do. It really does help. So the center is at 4, -7. So that's our center right there. And now what we have is we have a vertex at 4, 1. Now, if this vertex is here on this side of the center, then there has to be another vertex bounced over across on this side. So from here to here, it was 8. So from here to here, I went down 8. And now we have a co-vertex at 0, -7. That's right there. And this little gap, if you count it on graph paper, it's going to be 4 spaces. And since this is a gap of 4, you want to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, and call this a co-vertex there. And so the actual ellipse itself would look something like this. So I always recommend sketching it first, if possible, if you have enough time, because the graph reveals to you which of the 2 templates to select. Because remember, you have 2 equations to choose from. And then do note that the one that has X first, that's more sideways, especially because it has the A. And then the one that has the Y first with the A, that's more up-down. And ours is the up-down variety. So we're going to fill out this template. So we have to fill in the K, the H, and then the A, and then the B. Now, what's nice is the center is given. And the center is always HK in that order. And so wherever K belongs, you put what happens to be -7. Double negative becomes +7 right there. And then the H would be 4, which goes next to the X. That would be 4 here. Now in here, I need A and B. And A is always going to be greater than or equal to B for ellipses. So A and B are these distances here, whether it be the vertical distance and the horizontal distance. One of these A, one of these B. Visually, since this graph is not too bad, you can see that this bit is bigger. So that's A and that's B. Now on some really nice graph paper, you could count these boxes, or you can just examine the numbers that way. You'll see that A should be 8, and then B should be, it looks like it's going to be 4. And so you can leave it like this if you want to. This is the equation that goes with this information, and the graph, which was not necessary, was done to make things easier. So boom, boom.